Today I'm going to show you 3 platforms or plugins that I use to create courses for the website and also track the affiliate production and protect content on the website. So here we go. Okay, so we're over on the website and we can see that we are logged in to my membership site. So if it said log in here, we would need to do that and log out. Shows we're in the site, and that is an indication that this is a membership site because you need to log into that. Now, I do courses, so I have a member home and it lists all the courses. And the courses will only allow you to go to them if you've paid for them, so they're protected. And so I want to show you how we can have the courses that we can create, sell, and protect. And so let's go over to our dashboard and I'll show you the plugins that I use. Now we'll go here to plugins and installed plugins, and this is on the WordPress dashboard. And the ones that we're going to use is the Membermouse platform. Now this is where we can protect and sell our products. So Membermouse is this. We're going to sell our products. We're going to protect our content, manage our members, and maximize our revenue. So those are the things that we do in a membership website. And then go back to our plugins, and then I make my courses in the WP Courseware, and it has a add-on for Membermouse so that they can work together, and I get them from Flair plugins. It's here, so you build your online courses. It's the first and most widely used learning management system plugin for WordPress. And it says create your first course within minutes. And it probably take you a little longer than that, but it's not terribly hard to use. And it is what I've used since I've been building courses for the last 5 years or so. Those are the 3 plugins, but let me show you one other one, and that is the WP Affiliate Manager. This is how I track my affiliates and pay commissions when they sell my products. And let me show you in Membermouse, you can create a product, you sell the products, you can sell membership levels, you can sell bundles for the membership levels, you can create coupons. And so this is really handy, good way of doing the memberships with the courses. And you can see that some of my courses, or most of my courses, are digital or spreadsheets, but I have one that's a service, so you can just do services. And you can also you click here and you get a purchase link, so you can add that anywhere in your website or anywhere on the internet, and it will take them straight to your checkout page. So that's pretty cool. And then to show you what the courseware looks like, you just go, these are the different courses, and you can see that this is based on your membership or your Membermouse level. So this is protecting the content. And then you have options. It's a lot like a school course or so. So you can add modules and units, and you can do quizzes and have a class book or a classroom or grade book. So it could be used for homeschool teaching, and that if you didn't want to sell the courses, you just wanted to be able to create courses. This would be good without the Membermouse part. If you don't want to protect your content, you have no need for that. Or you can actually sell from the WP Courseware, and I don't do that. I use everything through Membermouse, but you could do that. And then if you are selling your items and you have an affiliate program, then you could set up your information here. And a thing that I like is use PayPal Mass Pay. If you have a business account with PayPal, there's a $1 fee that PayPal charges you, not your affiliate, and they will do all of the payments $1 per person that you're paying. So that's really cool, and it's really fast. So I hope that little bit of information helps you to get started on being able to create courses and sell and help some people and make some money in the process.